Alright guys, another video. Just starting off some car shit, getting straight into it. Fuck the intro. Got the older Citröen K1 here with the fucking, just done that up there. You can see if you look up close, I cut it out with fucking Stanley blade, but from afar it looks sick. Press the brakes, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, so now I'm just fucking debadging the sides where it says Citröen C1, but leaving the Citröen logo there because, you know, we ain't about that gay life. Hey, look at me, look at that fresh motherfucker. Sick. So she's all debadged now, nice and easy, nice and quick. Use your polish and shit, polish the old window, and you can't even see that there was ever any writing there. She's 50-50 whether to take that off or not, because it's not my car, it's my girlfriend's, but I mean, let us know what you think. Yes or no to the Citröen logo, or should you just change the colour of it? Fucking let man know, innit?